Hello friends, I'm Painting Hyun. I'm really glad to meet you all here. My channel has grown a lot because of you. So I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing my channel and hitting like buttons and leaving good comments.
Today, I'm going to tell you two new things about my channel. One is 23 special lecture videos. The other one is about new way of video. First, the special lecture videos will be uploaded every Wednesday and Saturday for 12 weeks, starting from April 10th. Some of our friends may have already purchased and completed through other channels. For those who have already completed their studies, you can go through it slowly once again, please. I hope new friends will be able to follow along. You will learn a lot in those lectures. So we will start with the most basic practice lines, one or two perspective, and then how to mix colors using three primary colors, how to control water, how to use masking fluid, and third, etc. We have already practiced many type of paintings, right? This Cosmos and yeah, Phrygia. Second, the other is about new way of video. I will start painting outside, meaning outside the studio to travel and create videos of painting while on the travel.
Please look forward to the special lecture videos and I hope you enjoy learning a lot. I will strive to make even more enjoyable and easy to follow my videos in the future. I wish all my friends to be healthy and have happy moments every day. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.